Well, on to our Green Crusader now, Milind Soman. He's now run over 360 kilometers as part of the Greenathon as he's on his way from Ahmedabad to Mumbai. He's now joining us this evening live from Navsari in Gujarat. Hi, Milind. Sunday, not a day of rest. In fact, even NDTV running with you.
Yeah, that's the new thing for us, and we're really happy to have such a beautiful new team member. And Gargi's done her first 7 kilometers with us. How does it feel, Gargi?
It feels good. Natasha, I'm aiming to do 50 by the end when Greenathon, of course, is a week away, and you have to be realistic about your target. So 50 for me over the next week.
Are you looking forward to the blisters?
Not at all, and I don't think I'll get them. I'm running very slowly.
And Pratap is also with us. Pratap has done 130 kilometers, and he's also been a great support. Pratap, how's it been?
It's been very good. Like I'm working and running, so whenever I get time, then I run.
Yeah. So today, of course, Gargi has run in the cool evening breeze, and tomorrow we're going to take her running in the sun. It's been, I can say, it's been really tough. It's been very challenging, great fun, but very tough. The blisters are something that I didn't really expect. None of us expected blisters, and all of us have the most awful blisters you can imagine. They're really painful. In fact, we met these tribals this morning, and we were trying to find out what the CEE was doing with the tribals in South Gujarat, and they had some jadi booty for us. So we're going to try that and see if it works.
Right, you never know. It just might be that magic ointment that those blisters need. But the response, of course, along the way, Milind, has been just super.
Yeah, I mean, of course, a lot of people that we meet think we're absolutely crazy. But looking at the kind of things that they're doing for the environment on their own initiative without any kind of government support, any other kind of really big organizational support, the kind of stuff they're doing for the environment, to conserve wildlife, to sort of contain pollution, all kinds of things. They're even stretching the limits of the law, breaking the law sometimes just so that they can do something for the common good. I think it's quite amazing. It's really inspirational. I'm not saying that we should go ahead and do things that are illegal, but they're really trying very hard, and that is the thing.
Right, you're of course leaving this route greener than you found it. Milind, Gargi, Pratap, thanks all so much for joining us this evening, and all the very best in accomplishing all that you've set out to do.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.